Welcome to our video abstract, Evaluation of Teachers Training Workshop at Kirkpatrick Level 1 using Retroperi. Faculty members represent one of the key resources at medical schools. The academic success of medical schools depend upon the performance of the faculty member. The teacher training may improve quality, professionalism and effectiveness of teaching and improve self-confidence of the teacher, hence enhance their performance. It is believed that the positive self-reported perceived confidence may motivate teachers and bring positive behavioral changes among them for teaching, learning, educating the students and assessing their performance. Primarily, our study assesses the self-reported perceived confidence of faculty members after participating in the basic teachers training workshop using Retroperi feedback questionnaire at Kirkpatrick level 1, that is evaluation of reaction. But the perception at level 2A and to some extent knowledge and skill at level 2B were also assessed. Each teachers training workshop was of 6 days duration. The main session conducted were on educational objective, curriculum and role of faculty member, principle of adult learning, behavioral objective, feedback skills, communication skills, facilitation skills, interactive teaching learning, small group discussion, role play, clinical skills learning, community-based learning, ethics of professional educator, micro-teaching, lesson planning, AV-aids, problem-based learning, assessment tool. Most of the session content tutorial on the subject with brainstorming, group work in small groups and presentation of group work in large group discussion. The self-reported perceived confidence on 30 statements were analyzed for 3 categories: not confident, confident and highly confident on Likert scale. Out of 60 participants, 50 responded to all statements. The mean age of the participant was 34, 71% were male. The self-reported perceived confidence level of participant of 3rd, 4th and 5th training workshop was significantly increased. The observed percentage change in the self-reported perceived confidence was around 30% in those who received no training, 2 times more than those who received some sort of training prior to joining the institute, a noticeable change. Overall, the self-reported perceived confidence level of the participant was significantly increased after teachers training workshop. Significant change in the level of self-reported perceived confidence was noticed after teachers training workshop among the participants who received no training on teaching learning prior to joining the institution. Further research is required to explore the behavioral changes among the teachers and their teaching performance at Kirkpatrick level 3 and overall impact of training at level 4.